You know that moment when you're about to speak up in a meeting, ask someone out, or pursue that dream you've been hiding, and then that voice in your head whispers, "Who are you kidding? You're not good enough for this." That voice? It's not protecting you, it's stealing your life. Here's what most people don't realize about confidence. It's not something you're born with or without. It's a skill you can build, just like learning to drive or cook. The difference between people who seem naturally confident and those who don't isn't talent or luck. It's that confident people have learned to rewire their internal dialogue. They've discovered the specific mindset shifts that turn self-doubt into self-trust, fear into fuel, and hesitation into action. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the exact strategies that high achievers use to build unshakable confidence from within. These aren't feel-good platitudes. These are proven techniques that will help you silence that inner critic and step into the person you were meant to be. Ready to stop letting self-doubt run your life? Let's dive in. And if this resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. Your future confident self will thank you. Self-doubt didn't just appear in your life randomly, it was taught to you. From childhood criticism to social media comparison, you've been programmed to question your worth. Here's what's happening in your brain. Your amygdala, the fear center, is trying to keep you safe by avoiding potential rejection or failure. This survival mechanism served our ancestors well, but in today's world, it's holding you back from opportunities, not protecting you from tigers. Pillar number 1, transform your inner critic into your inner coach. Instead of "I'm not qualified for this," try "I'm learning and growing into this role." Pillar 2, build an evidence file of your capabilities. Your brain needs proof, not just positive thinking. Start collecting evidence of your competence, no matter how small. These wins compound. Pillar 3, expand your comfort zone systematically. Confidence comes from doing things you thought you couldn't do. Start with micro challenges. Speak up once in a meeting. Make one new connection. Take one small risk. Pillar 4, your body teaches your mind. Stand tall, make eye contact, take up space. Research shows that confident posture actually changes your hormone levels, reducing stress and increasing confidence. Pillar 5, connect with your future confident self. Visualization isn't wishful thinking, it's mental rehearsal. Spend 5 minutes daily visualizing yourself handling challenges with confidence. Your brain can't tell the difference between vivid imagination and reality. Here's your daily confidence blueprint. Start each morning by looking yourself in the eye and stating 3 things you're capable of achieving today. Set one small confidence intention each day. Today, I will speak up in the team meeting, or today, I will introduce myself to one new person. Confidence creates a feedback loop. The more you act confidently, the more evidence you create, the more confident you become. Each time you push through discomfort and take action, you're literally rewiring your brain for confidence. Here's the truth about setbacks. They're not evidence that you're not confident enough. They're opportunities to practice confidence. Confident people don't avoid failure. They reframe it as data. What can this teach me? How can I improve? I've seen people transform from barely speaking in meetings to leading presentations, from avoiding social events to building meaningful networks. The difference isn't talent or luck, it's the decision to build confidence systematically. You're at a crossroads right now. You can continue letting self-doubt make your decisions, or you can start building unshakable confidence today. Your first step is simple. Identify one area where self-doubt is holding you back and commit to one small action today. Remember, confidence compounds. Each small action builds on the last. In 6 months, you won't recognize the person you used to be. Imagine walking into any room knowing you belong there. Imagine pursuing your dreams without that voice of doubt. That person already exists within you. If you're ready to join thousands of others building unshakable confidence, subscribe to Genius Achievers right now. And here's your first confidence challenge. Comment below with one area where you're going to stop letting self-doubt hold you back. Your transformation starts now. And if you want to dive deeper into building unstoppable momentum, check out this video next.